Hello everyone, very good evening. So UGC NET June 2024 re-examination paper first shift was completed today, 21st of August 2024. Shift number 1 is completed. If I tell the like I have taken a time to come up with a proper maximum number of question as much as possible. So that's why there is a delay. But I will be assuring you that you will get us some more new questions which were not there in any way. So that's what my assurance to you. First of all, let me congratulate to you those who have thoroughly done the previous year questions of paper 1 2023 December, June 2023, December 2022. Those who have done these papers, you are at an edge. You are at an edge for sure. I'll give you the list of it. Why I have written it as total previous year question trend? Because the same area, same topics were repeated in almost every topic. So let me list down all the topics in front of you. If you are first time in this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and do not forget to join in our Telegram group and other WhatsApp groups according to your choice. So let's start with a one by one unit. I will first go for the people development environment, and those who have done recently, which we completed today only, 7 days paper 1 revision with a previous year questions of 2023 December and June, 1000 plus previous year question which we solved. The impact now you are going to see, which I'm going to explain what we have done in last 7 days. Majority areas were repeated. So in the people and environment unit number 9, there is a question directly from the Rio Summit. So Rio Summit always been a questioning area in this. So Rio Summit related possible questions can be outcomes of Rio Summit, like a convention on biological diversity, UNFCCC, Agenda 21 principle, forestry principle, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement. All our main heart is that Rio Summit. And the second area is that SDG, MDG related statement based question was appeared. SDG, MDG factual statement based question. Third one is that biological oxygen demand, which we have done thoroughly in the last 7 days. Biological oxygen demand related aquatic life linking question. So BOD is a most predominant question. Even BOD, you have to study the DDT also, which we have done yesterday only morning. BOD and DDT, biological oxygen demand and DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. And here, fourth area of question in this is nuclear fission. Same December 2000, nuclear fission. Nuclear fission and fusion process will be there in the production of nuclear energy. So uranium 239, uranium 236, uranium 234. These are the various things will be there. Out of that, uranium 239 is a type of uranium which will be in the form of fission process. Fission process. So related to that, one question was asked. Very liberal question, similar to the previous year question only, which is December 2023 question. And final area, there is a groundwater pollution, whether it is related to pollution or groundwater type. There are two types of water, generally surface water and inside. So groundwater types, they are saying, but it may be related to groundwater pollution also, possible question. Fission and fusion process was there. These are the 5 specific areas which were asked, and very much depending upon the December and June 2020 through whoever is done all the unit, all the topic wise now, then you are at the edge. Very easy to solve it. If you look at the higher education system, which of the following ancient university had multidisciplinary? Today morning we have solved multidisciplinary. multidisciplinary ancient Indian university. That is Vallabhi University. Where Vallabhi University, multidisciplinary Vallabhi University, because Vallabhi University is not only famous for tantric education system, it is also famous for various other technical sciences, various like Nyaya Shastra and Tarka Shastra, as also this tantric education. That is why it is multidisciplinary type of ancient Indian university. That was one question. Second question was related to NEP 2020. In this NEP 2020, university education system related NEP 2020 objectives they have asked. There are 4 or 5 statements which have been given. Out of that, which are the following are the NEP 2020 objectives with respect to the university education system? Means higher education related, more or less. Next, third one is digital platforms has been asked, but which digital platform? I was not able to get this data. So there is a question which is related to digital platforms. Now, another question, like higher education, these are the three. If you go for the ICT, fractional conversion, binary to decimal, there is a binary to decimal. They'll give statement 1, they'll give statement 2, conversion statements. Which statement is correctly given? Means this binary conversion to decimal, which of the following statement, whether both are true, only single one is true, based on that we should answer. This conversion almost day before yesterday on Monday, if I'm not wrong, we have solved many conversion with a fraction, conversion hexa to decimal, decimal to hexa, binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to binary. All the type of conversion, how to solve with a shortcut trick also we have seen. So very liberal question in this ICT part 1 also. Next, which of the following are the statements correct with respect to first generation computers? Might be memory related like a vacuum tubes, or what are the output, like which of the material will be used for output in the first generation computer, and main material is that vacuum tubes. Related to the first generation computer, the question was there. And there is a question related to malware and Trojan horses matching. They are saying malware and Trojan horses as well as virus. Virus related question was there. And fourth, this is very much easy question. Regular type, phishing, palming, malware, Trojan, and even key logging, spyware, ransomware. These are the various types of virus. You must have to look into it before going for the exam. Next, Web 2.0. Web 2.0 and blogging. These two related one question is there. Blogging and Web 2.0, two related question was there. So even Web 3.0, you can see Web 4.0 also, which is futuristic oriented, also been asked in the December 2023. We have seen that question and solved also, futuristic one. And fifth one is that there is a presentation tool. Which of the following is a presentation tool? In that one option, the student was telling Adobe Illustrator was there. Adobe Illustrator usually for book publishing and all. For those editing, they'll use that. But if it is a presentation, they must have given PowerPoint presentation or some other nearby PPT also they must have given. So ICT, these are the 5 areas, very much depending upon the June and December 2023 questions. So next area, mathematics, if you could look at. Maths 1, again repeated area, which is direction question as usual, very dead easy direction question. Second one is either number series or alphabet series. Some are saying alphabet, some are saying number series, but I'm not confirming anything. In this one missing, either alphabet missing sequence or the number series missing sequence, something was given. I'm sure it is related to number series only. Next is time, the train related question was there. Time and distance, train related question. Fourth one is related to workman days, time and work related. How many number of workman days is required when both together, if they do the work, if the single person only does the work, how many days it will take? Like that, similar question was there. And data interpretation, all are saying easy, like it is related to interest calculation or average interest calculation only. So there was, and somehow it is not lengthy also, easy to calculate, not a missing figure DI, very direct question data interpretation is given. It is not difficult. But when we ask what type of DI, what question they have asked, nobody in a position to tell. Maybe no one has remembered properly about the DI. But how they forgot the DI, I'm not able to understand. DI, one interest calculation, even average interest in 5 years or 6 years, whatever they given, related to that, the question was there. And even salary or interest related, some link has been created. Salary or the interest, I'm not sure, but related to this amount based question, percentage based question also there, both in the 5 questions of DI. Next, if you come to the RC is only one problem, easy RC, but issue was scrolling, lengthy. All answers are available, but we need to scroll every question up, down, side, left to right, up to down. We need to do it. So that's a scrolling issue was happened to aspirants. Next, after that, logical reasoning, our favorite area. Definite, damn sure, whatever has been there, it is same on the paper today also. What was there, now today also it is there. Number one, equivalent preposition. Which of the following are equivalent to the not, non? Like some not was given in the statement. Which of the following statement is equal meaning to the given statement? As usual. Second area, Hetvabas related, that is Indian logic Anumana. Indian logic Anumana related Hetvabas will be there. Third one is related to syllogism. This equivalency and the syllogism, both are almost near questions only. Fourth one is formal fallacy. So some are saying formal fallacy or some are saying informal fallacy. This might be a question like this. In the options, they have given mix of formal plus informal option. But question belong to which type of fallacies are one need to come out. Whether, because some are saying hasty generalization was there in the option. Some are saying that formal fallacy related undistributed middle term or else extensional fallacy, exclusive fallacy related something was there. Whether the question was related to formal or informal, not sure, but anyone is, both are fine because both are within the range of solving only. Fifth one it is. Fifth one not arrived, only LR 4 questions we got it. The fifth one we don't know. And next, research aptitude, again proved it is. Plagiarism levels will be there, na plagiarism. Plagiarism, there are 3 levels will be there. Level 1, level 2, level 3. 22, up to 10% nothing. So whenever it is 22, 40, 40 to 60, above 60, then there will be a problem of plagiarism. UGC penalty for the students and penalty for the faculty is different. And how much percentage also need to remember. This is plagiarism related question. Next, cross-sectional study, cross-sectional research. If they're asking cross-sectional, this is a point of time. So the study which is related to point of time. Now you can expect a question longitudinal study, which is a period of time. Longitudinal study, which you can expect is period of time. Maybe in the evening shift, it may come, possibly. And the third area is that hypothesis test, t-test related, like significance level might have been given, or else when only the 2 sample size groups are there, when the variance is unknown, which of the following hypothesis test will be adopted. Like that, the question can be possible. Student t-test or the t-test was the given question. Fourth one is related to sampling, whether it is types of sampling or one example is given. In this example, which of the following sampling method is adopted? That is also possible question. Either types of sampling is possible or examination is possible. Means example based. Which of the following type of sampling will be used in this particular situation? That has been not revealed by student. And referencing styles, MLA style of formatting has been asked. Previously, more importance were given to APA. Now it is MLA. So read both AP and MLA, even IEEE Chicago formats. In which discipline MLA will be used, in which discipline APA will be used. What is the format of year, name, and publication, as well as the title of the article, in what sequence it will be written. Please try to remember for this both APA and MLA. There is a possible sequence question also can be asked from this area. So these are research aptitude related. So what we have done, we have done DI, RC, LR, research, higher education, PDE, ICT, and teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude, communication, we have got very less questions. Communication, not even single question given by the student. Teaching aptitude, there is a question which is related to lecture method, features, and another one, matching. The matching question was Swayam Prabha channels. Total 40 channels are there now. Out of this 40 channels, channel number 1 to channel number 2, various names are there. So Swayam Prabha channel names on one and channel number is on the other side. Channel number. This is a December 2023 previous year question. I have explained almost 15 shifts. There are 3 to 4 times it was repeated. Now also they have asked channel names and the channel number. Are the channel number and their discipline. Both the ways you need to remember. Both the ways you need to remember. So communication questions have not like remembered by any students. I was not able to get it. This is the total today's paper. Almost I have given you nearby 40 to 35 area of asking a question from today's paper 1, shift 1, paper 1. So if you could solve this June 2023, there are 9 shifts of question paper into 5 questions for each unit or 50 questions for each paper. So there are 450 questions. And in December 2023, I am emphasizing again and again on many people. Why? Because of this result. There are 15 shifts, each shift 50 questions, including 15 DIs will be there. There is 750 questions. If you can solve this particular 1200, then you are done with a recent trend. The same repetition is going on in the upcoming exam also. I would really request, whether you are taking our course or not, you have to complete these papers minimum to minimum to get an edge over your paper 1. So that's why even recently we have covered in the 7 days. Today only we have concluded this entire 7 days re-exam. In this I explained total 1200 questions on topic wise basis we have triggered by explaining in each and every question detailed way. New concepts has been covered, everything. Take this at just a 339 rupees, and in this you will get also mock test. 18 mock test will be there, and even we are starting the commerce also on 24th. Those are taking both, you will get it at 599 only. So in that you will also get CBT mock test for free. We have covered recent area of asking a question. Commerce will be starting on 24th of August evening, Saturday will be starting. The same price will be there. Just download Achieversaddaugcnet app or log on to our website from the given link. This trend we have covered in this. We are sure the outcome is going to be there. In each and every shift, you are going to witness the question from this both the shifts. Right? So this is the area. I hope you got a confidence. Those who have attended, more than 220 members have attended 7 days program. So now you can confidently feel that you are on a right path. Just revise the same thing till your examination. Repeat and repeat, repeat and repeat the same previous year question. Again and again, read the explanation, understand it, and go for the examination. Right? It will protect you from all. Yes, there was a mass communication question. Right. There was a mass communication related question. So this is also even December 2023 concept. Mass communication. Any new questions are given. Generally, new questions, even if they give now, students can't remember that one. That's the problem. After getting a full paper only, we will understand that. What is the difficulty? See, difficulty level, if we have a full paper, we can say. For me, I can say almost it is moderate paper. But for the student, it may be a tough paper. All depends upon the way how we prepared and how we attempted the exam. It will depend. But this is a somehow moderate paper based on the purely previous year question trend. It's a pure previous year question trend. This number of question papers, if you can solve now, you are at an edge. You are at an edge. That's why I'm insisting you to. Yes, question is on fusion and fusion. So please do take this paper 1. Recording is available for everything. Just take the 7 days and keep on revising till your examination. Total important session just at a liberal price of 339. We made it available, and with the PDFs also you'll get it. And enroll to the commerce also for the upcoming revision sessions. 30 days validity of the recording will be there. Classes only in English medium. It will revise your entire topics in a perfect which can make you a JRF. So both if you are taking, it will be 599 only. Thank you so much. Bye to all. Have a great day. If you like it, please do hit a like button and share with your friends, and do subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to join in our Telegram group. If you have any question, I will take it up. Yes, Neelu. Thank you. Have a good day.